Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott. You can see that. And today we are opening a package from Maggards. Yes, got a little, of course, box of my samples coming up. I actually have run out of samples, so I needed this to show you come this Saturday. So yeah, let me just cut the seal on the tape here. There we go. Let's see, I think it's still a peel away. Yes, it is. Okay. Alrighty. There's lots of peanuts and a receipt and samples. And it's just soap samples today. Sorry, picking up peanuts, fell in the sink. So we got a little bag of samples. So let's see what we got. See what's coming up. I'm not going to go into detail today because you get that when I actually use the samples. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples. Grabbing them at random, putting on the glasses so I can see what I got. And this one is the Club Signature. You've seen me use Ariana and Evans soap before, but I've never had a Club one. So yeah, we got one that's called the Club. Those are usually the exclusive soaps that you have to join their club for to get them, and I just don't do that. So I don't join the club, you know, that for subscriptions or to get stuff that way. But so it'll be interesting to try a Club one. So what does it say? Does it say anything on it? It says just premium soap. Okay. Next in the lineup is the Mammoth, I think, what's it called? Something Mammoth soap. And this one's called Beloved. I call my wife Beloved. I call her Belle for short. And so, yeah, I had to get that one. I don't know what it smells like, but I just did because of the name alone. I had to get it. Here's another Ariana and Evans. Now, this one is an Ariana and Evans by itself. And this is a Barbier Sophisticat, sorry. So yeah, so a nice barbershop. I'm kind of on a barbershop kick lately, trying the different ones because I've said it before, I've got so sick of the Clubman, Peanut Clubman one, just because it's overused and all that, so I got tired of it just because I used it so much. So I'm trying different things and different people's blends of what they call a barbershop, and I'm amazed at how much different it smells. And, you know, so it's kind of, you know, a new discovery again because it's been so many years. Now, of course, we got another one. This was, of course, it's a Maggards shipment, Maggards box. We got a Maggards soap, London barbershop. So they're trying there. So I got a couple of barbershops to try. So that'll be interesting. Probably want to try those back to back, I think. Next one is, let's see, who is this? I think this is Barrister and Man shaving soap, Legrand Cipher. I don't know. Let me see if I can get that to focus. So we're going to try that one. What's that little animal in there? Not sure. So it looks like one of those little African type. I want to see, it's not a caribou, but it's got that funky name. I can't think of it. Okay, but the last one here, Declaration Grooming Dayman. I've had some good luck with some Declaration Grooming soaps. So yeah, I want to try another sample. So that gives me by for the next 6 weeks here or so to try different soaps. I just wanted to let you see what I got. And of course, as a reminder, all these sample soaps, I use them once. I scoop them out with my trusty little spoon. I scoop out 1 serving's worth, throw it in my bowl, whip it up, and then when I'm done after my little sample, then I save the rest of it to give to one of you folks. And I've got a drawing coming up real soon. I said when I get to 400 subscribers, we're going to have a double drawing, which I'm going to do. Right now, I'm sitting at 399 subscribers. One more, and we have a couple of giveaways to do. I'm going to do a U.S. giveaway and a non-U.S. giveaway. So we're gonna do it that way because I've got a little left over, a little aftershaves, and those are going to go in the U.S. giveaway. And then, but of course, the non-U.S. has just got more soaps. It's got, you know, twice as many soaps because there's no aftershave. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to split it up that way. So I think everybody gets a chance around the world. And so I think you'll like that. So there's that to show you that. And I've got another video I'm going to do right next, back to back. So it'll be the same shirt. Yeah. But that one will be on some scents. So be looking for that one as well. So with that, go with God.